Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be using the 3M Headlight restoration kit with gel activated sanding, heavy duty restoration made easier. This kit is available at pretty much any of your auto part stores, O'Reilly, Napa, AutoZone. I bought mine at AutoZone. It's about 30 bucks. I will start off the video by saying I've actually never used this kit before, but I read a lot of reviews and this one seemed to be pretty good, and I've always liked 3M products, so we're going to give it a try. Now we're going to be using the restoration kit on this 2006 Mercedes-Benz W220 S500. Now what I'll say to start off is you may see this headlight is pretty clear. It's not really yellowed like most headlights on cars that are older, but if you actually saw this headlight compared to the other side, to the driver's side, it's considerably more faded. It's got a little bit layer of haze, especially up on top here, and light is refracted a little bit differently as compared to the driver's side, and light doesn't travel as far either. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this kit to it, try and work out some of those defects in there. I don't want to have to replace this headlight. It's $1,500. It's a bi-xenon self-leveling headlight, and it's Mercedes, so it's always expensive no matter what it is. Now if you're watching this video not only to see the restoration kit in action, but also because it's a Mercedes, the W220, the S-Class, I will start by telling you when you're doing this, you want to be very careful on this headlight. This top rubber grommet on top, over time, just especially through heat, becomes very brittle, very pliable, and easily tearable. As you can see, there's parts of it missing. It's about $100 from Mercedes, and I'm not spending $100 for a piece of rubber. It's not that essential, and it's still doing its basic function. So I went ahead and did the first two steps, which was the washing down of the headlight, just making sure it's all clean, wiping it down with just a lint-free cloth and some soapy water and some water. And then what we did is we went ahead and masked off the areas surrounding the headlight, just to protect it from the sander, because so this is our P500 right here, and it actually has it displayed on the back. So we'll go ahead and just mount that on there, like so. Make sure it's nice and centered. Alright, so we're not going to apply a lot of pressure here. Just a little more tape. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. Got majority of the defects that I know of sanded down. The main portion was actually from the xenon lens right here. That seems to be where most of the fading was at. So I just got done there. Again, you want to put that, they probably should have listed in the first place, but you do want to probably put a second coat of tape down, because this edge here actually has been cutting through. So I don't think it damaged the car. I doubt it, but it's best be honest. I forgot to. We're gonna actually wipe down that lens. Next step States, it'll make the next step considerably easier. So get that off. Use a spray bottle, apply enough water to dampen the green and gray disc and the lens. Okay, so we've dampened it down. Dime size of the 3M rubbing compound. This off. It's definitely coming along. Definitely noticeably better. And this is just the protectant synthetic wax for UV protection. Because that's why when people like take a toothpaste or you know, some home remedy, Headlight, restore, their headlights fade in about a month, because what they've done effectively is take off the UV protection. So you have to restore it, or else you're just gonna keep doing it over and over again. We'll flip to the cleaning side. Voila! That's pretty much it. I like it. Did a really good job.